Don't become a praise and reward junkie. All right? We over-reward and we over-praise. And I'm not going to say, okay, please put your pencils away. Thank you, everyone, for putting your pencils away. That was a great job. See that over-praise stuff? And then people get addicted to that. You know, it's like, move your seat. Thank you. If you have a kid who's out of control or upset and you say to that kid, hey, get out from under the table, get out from under the table and join us. And so the kid goes. Then about 5-10 minutes later, they come crawling out because I didn't pay attention to them. That happens a lot. You don't pay attention, they come crawling out. You know, after a while they come crawling out and they sit in the chair. And then I make the mistake of going over and saying, thank you for making a good choice. Don't do that. If the function of their behavior is control and they want a piece of the control, let them have that piece. So they didn't come out from under the table exactly when you said to. They waited 5 and then they came out. They still came out. But as soon as you say, thank you for making a good choice, you've now just rubbed it in that you won and they lost. You got to be careful with that stuff. Praise is not a bad thing, but sometimes the timing is way off. Right? The last thing we want to hear when we've done something we really don't want to do is for someone to say, thanks for doing that.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.